Learn to spot real versus fake with one look. Real parts show 2 marks under blue light. Let's zoom in and see. See this? The R is flipped, factory design. Look closer, got square pattern. Next, the dot is hollow, not solid. Very special. All the R and dots are in same place. Fake parts show nothing under blue light.